we're going out for a few days.
Yes, I think I've probably mentioned we're in the marina for a little while, helping out with my daughter's business because she's pregnant, and we're going out for a cruise for a week. Yeah, we're leaving Fox's Marina, heading on the old River Nene towards Salter's Lode, and that's where it joins the tidal River Great Ouse. And I think it was a journey of 14 miles. We've got two locks. There's one at Marmont Priory and the one at Salter's Lode. And according to Canal Plan, it's going to take 4 hours 36 minutes. Yeah, and I forgot to actually look at what time we left. So
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Right.
Yeah, it's now 10:05.
No, 10:05. So I'll see if I can get some nice footage on the way. So that's the first lock of the day, Marmont Priory.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more asleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
This is New Road Bridge, bridge number 35, officially the lowest point on the middle levels. I think you have about a 6'5" air draft, and we should get under it. We got about 6 inches above the aerial and 8 inches above the top box. Alfie needs to lay down.
Things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Well, the moorings have just come into sight. You can point your finger over there, and looks like there's no other boats on them. Right, well, we're here.
Yes, finally. And it took us 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, just under 6 hours. Under 6 hours.
Yeah, I had to work that one out in my head. Yes,
Didn't believe me.
So the canal plan that said 4.5 hours actually took nearer to 6 hours.
Yeah. But we did have to go and tick over quite a lot of boats.
And there's some very shallow sections, so if you try and go any speed above tick over, your rear end digs in and you don't get anywhere. So, no. But we're here.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning, just there, pointy finger. We are moored just the other side of that. We will come through the lock and onto this tidal section, which will bring us down to Denver Sluice, which is probably, I don't know, 600-700 yards. Yeah, so there's the lock that we're going to come out of this morning, and the tide is now on the turn, it's now starting. Oh, come on, point your finger. Which way are you going to go? It's now starting to go out. So when we come out of here, we'll have a sharp turn against the tide, and then up to Denver Sluice.